Morning guys, traveling with Kev. Day 11, walking down to a walking tour. This is sort of the shopping street in Copenhagen. There's all kinds of high-end and low-end and souvenir stores along here. We've been down this a couple times. It's a really neat street. So we'll send some video from some of the highlights of the walking tour today. And tomorrow, back to the airport to come home. So on our walking tour, we have now got to the Royal Palace for the changing of the guard with most of Denmark. Lots and lots of people. Wow. Pretty cool though. Look at the architecture. This city is absolutely profound in its beauty. Okay, so the changing of the guards. This is pretty cool. And here comes the change. The guards are now changed. So this has been one of the most entertaining tours I've been on in recent days. Up ahead of us now is this beautiful church that we're heading towards. This thing is really something. Among the other 100 incredible buildings I've seen in Copenhagen. So we finished our really cool Danish lunch.
Man, we gotta submit these.
Now we're over here on what they call the ugly side to take pictures of the good side of the canal, and then we're going to take Marilyn and the family on a canal cruise.
Maybe I got a good one.
Coming up next.
We have so many other.
Next on our entertainment agenda is the family is going to hop in this thing and go and see what the canal looks like.
Where are you from?
We're in the big long boat. This is pretty weird. I don't know if you can hear it. It sounds like bees. So we're walking back from dropping off Rob and Cheryl, and we've come across this park thing, and they're doing this three-dimensional movie of a drone. It sounds like bees.